Welcome to my channel. Today I will explain you the difference between reference and duplicate in Power Query. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. To open Power Query, we go to transform data. And on your left you have the tables. When you do a right click on some table, you have duplicate or reference. When we select reference, and for example we will create a new table, we want to know the count for each priority status. For example, now we know that the high have this number, etc. So now we are using the reference. The bad part for using reference is that, for example, if we change the original table, like we will remove this order priority column, it will mess up with our new table that we created. But when you use the reference, the good thing is that we don't duplicate the data. So we are using less space. But when we do a duplicate, for example, and we do the same group by, and now we want to remove this column, it doesn't affect our query, our second table that we created. But all the data from the first table is duplicated. So we are using the double space. So if you know that the base table will never change, you can use the reference. But if you don't know if someone in the future will remove some columns or can do something that could affect your second table, in that case you need to use the duplicate option. Hopefully this video was useful for someone, and if you like my videos, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.